To improve a sound quality on Spotify, first we need to open a Spotify app. Then you can click on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen and move to settings and privacy. There's a few settings that we can adjust here. So first let's enter a playback. Right there we can scroll down and enter equalizer. If you open it, then you can adjust a equalizer profile to your own settings with user, or you can pick a specific profile that you want to use for your music. I strongly recommend to use it to increase that quality. Then we can go for volume controls, and I prefer to disable volume normalization as it will not mess up my volume for the songs. So I disable this feature and then we can go back. Next thing we can do is in media quality, and then if you want to get the highest quality but at the expense of more cellular data consumed or Wi-Fi consumed, or even a space on your phone consumed, you can go for very high settings for each of those options and disable auto adjust. Then you should hear a difference when listening to your songs.